Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the wonders that inhabit space? Well, imagine if one of those wonders, like Halley's Comet, could pose a threat to our beloved Earth. Hey folks, I'm Jack, and this is the All About Astronomy. And today, we will explore this intriguing idea, delving into the fascinating history of the comet and unraveling whether it could truly be a menace. First, let's talk about the enigma of Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet is like the rock star of the solar system. Named after astronomer Edmund Halley, who predicted its orbit in 1705, this comet pays a special visit to Earth every 76 years. Its last notable appearance was in 1986, when many of us weren't even born. But what if this visit wasn't just a celestial spectacle, but also brought with it a potential threat? Demystifying myths. Before we start sounding the alarms, it's essential to debunk some myths about comets. Although they are often portrayed as apocalyptic messengers in science fiction movies, the reality is a bit less dramatic. Comets are, in fact, icy balls and dust traveling through space. Halley's Comet, in particular, is primarily composed of ice, dust, and small rocky particles. When it approaches the sun, solar radiation causes the ice in the comet to vaporize, creating that spectacular tail we all know. Halley's cosmic orbit. The orbit of Halley's Comet is another crucial element to understand if it could pose a threat to Earth. Fortunately, the news is reassuring. The trajectory of Halley is well known and studied by the scientific community, and its orbit is far from Earth's path. The chances of a direct collision are extremely low, practically non-existent. The distance between the comet and Earth during its closest approach is enormous, providing a breathtaking show in the sky but without any real risk. Before we continue our cosmic journey, I would greatly appreciate your subscription to the channel. I sincerely ask for your help in this YouTube adventure. Here, you're not just another subscriber, you are the key subscriber and act as a booster, fueling our desire to create more fascinating content. Back to the topic. Let's talk about the cosmic impacts. While Halley's Comet is not a threat, we must acknowledge that Earth's history is marked by cosmic impacts. Events like the extinction of dinosaurs were caused by asteroids colliding with our planet. However, comets and asteroids are distinct entities. Asteroids are primarily formed by rocks and metals, while comets are predominantly ice and dust. The probability of a comet like Halley causing significant harm to Earth is extremely low. Cosmic safeguards. The scientific community is constantly monitoring space for objects near Earth that may pose a threat. Fortunately, thanks to advances in space technology, astronomers have developed effective methods to detect and track comets, asteroids, and other potentially hazardous celestial bodies. If a real threat were to arise, scientists would have ample time to develop mitigation strategies, such as diverting the course of the object or implementing other preventive measures. Conclusion: a safe journey through the cosmos. In conclusion, we can safely admire Halley's Comet knowing that its periodic visit does not pose any imminent danger to Earth. Space is vast and full of fascinating mysteries, but fortunately, Halley's Comet is not one of them when it comes to threats to our cosmic home. So the next time you look at the night sky and spot the bright tail of Halley's Comet, enjoy the celestial spectacle without worry. Our planet is safe, and the cosmic journey continues to be an endless source of wonders and discoveries for future generations to explore.